Now, if you're having issues with your WAEC result, let me know. Some of you have checked your results and you are seeing absent for a subject that you were there, you wrote, and some of you are saying that you have held, or you are having indebted, or you're having outstanding or cancelled. If you're having these issues, or you got F9 in any subject that you really believe you did not deserve, if you're having such issues, let me know right now. Come under the comment of this video and tell me the issue you are having. Are you having the issue of held? Are you having the issue of withheld or outstanding or indebted? Any of them, feel free, come under the comment of this video and let us work on it right now. First of all, click on join to be a full member of our channel. Then when you join, subscribe. Once you do that, share this video, copy the link. Remember, I said number 1, join. Number 2, share this video, copy the link, share it on all WhatsApp platforms, on all WhatsApp groups, to your classmates everywhere. Then subscribe. Once you do that, come under the comment of this video, tell me you have subscribed, then tell me any issue you are having concerning your WAEC result, and together we could begin to rectify it right now. There's an important video I attached for you on the screen, very important. Click on it and watch now.